Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a powerful Python tool that automatically analyzes customer feedback sentiment and categorizes negative reviews. Let's dive into the code. First, we have our configuration section where you simply set the path to your feedback file. It supports CSV, Excel, and Word documents. The heart of our analyzer uses keyword-based sentiment classification. We have predefined lists of positive, negative, and neutral keywords that determine the sentiment of each feedback. For negative feedback, we go deeper by categorizing them into specific areas like quality, service, delivery, and price issues. This helps identify exactly what needs improvement. The tool automatically detects your file type and extracts feedback text from the first column for spreadsheets or paragraphs for Word documents. Now let's see it in action. It'll run the application with our sample data containing 200 customer reviews. Watch as it processes all 200 feedbacks and provides us with detailed statistics. Look at these insights. We get a complete breakdown: 44.5% positive, 39.5% neutral, and 16% negative feedback. The tool also shows us that quality issues are the biggest concern, affecting 37.5% of negative reviews. We also get a quick preview of the first 10 analyzed feedbacks with their sentiment classifications and categories for negative ones. The tool automatically generates a comprehensive Excel report with 2 sheets. The first sheet contains all our organized data with feedback separated by sentiment and negative categories. The statistics summary sheet provides all our key metrics, perfect for presentations and reports to stakeholders. And that's it. With just one command, we've analyzed 200 customer reviews, identified sentiment patterns, and generated professional reports. This tool can process up to thousands of feedbacks and is perfect for businesses wanting to understand customer satisfaction quickly. At Redsprite Technology, we help businesses automate smart solutions like this. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.